Hey guys, welcome. This is how to view unread messages on Messenger. So, guys, to check or if you want to see unread messages on your Messenger, first thing is open up the Messenger application. So, one technique is by going through the menu on the bottom right corner of the screen. Here on the menu, you will have multiple options. First one, you will have message request. So from here, you should be able to see all of the messages that you haven't read for a while. And you will have a spam as well, where other message can be redirected on the spam. Another option is going through the marketplace. So if you are talking someone on the marketplace, it should be right here, and you will have the archive tab as well.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.